The question is, we are swimming in this devotional nectar, the devotional sweetness of Krishna's Balya, the devotee's devotion to one-pointed devotion, and many other things. But why is it that we are not able to retain it in our mind? Why is it that we are not like the Gopikas who would always fix their mind on Sri Krishna, sing his name, doing any household work, whether it was milking, whether it was putting cow dung on the floor, whether it was caressing and consoling the crying children, swinging them, whether it was watering in the garden or any other household work. Whatever they did, their mind was constantly fixed on Krishna. Why is it that we are not able to do? It is only because we don't like. Even if we like, we give very little time to it. Most of the time we are thinking of something which is not Krishna, which is only petty matter, which is only regarding the worldly life, which will not give us any kind of nectar and joy. So in Bhagavatam it says that if you want to completely get immersed in devotion for God, if you want to touch Him in your heart, then what you should do is listen to Him constantly. Go to a Guru, serve Him, have His instruction. Completely you should dedicate all your thoughts, your speech and your action to the Lord. See Him always everywhere. Study the scriptures. Have the association of the Sajjanas. Then alone the devotion will grow to that extent that you will be feeling one with God. In this, I will chant some shlokas where a devotee, if he listens and listens and listens, what is the condition that he attains? This is given in this. Nishamya karmani gunana tulyan vedyani venatanuvikritani yadati harshot pulakashrugadgadam protkantha udgayati rautirtyati yadagrahagrastaiva kvachit hasatyakrandate dhyayati vandate janam Muhushvasan bhakti hare jagatpate narayane narayane tyatmamatirgatatrapa tadapuman mukta samasta bandhana tadbhava bhavanukritashaya kritihi nirdagdha bijanshayo mahiyasa bhakti prayogena sametya dhokshajam. If you listen and listen to the stories of the Lord, to the excellences of the Lord, what kind of excellences? Which is unparalleled. Gunan atulya, viryan, leela in all his incarnations, whatever he has done. If you hear about that, then what will happen? Yadati harshot pulakashrugadgadam, then you will have extreme delight. Sometimes there will be horripilation. Sometimes the voice will choke. Tears will fall from the eyes. Protkantha udgayati, and you will feel like calling out his name, singing his name in a loud voice. Rauti nrityati, sometimes you will be only shedding tears, and sometimes you will be dancing. Yadagrahagrastaiva kvachid, sometimes you will be behaving as though you have been under something, some planet. And क्वचित् हसत्याक्रन्दते ध्यायति वन्दते जनम्. Hasatyakrandate dhyayati vandate janam. Sometimes you will be laughing, sometimes you will be crying, sometimes you will be simply sitting, meditating on the form of the Lord. Vandate janam. Sometimes seeing Him everywhere in all creatures, you will be only doing namaskar, namaskar. When the Nama Sankirtana goes on, many of you are taking part. It is also sometimes to be watched. I always find it a great pleasure to stand aside and watch the Nama Sankirtana. How people are going about and how they forget everything. All shyness they forget. I've seen some people, they only start saluting like this. Dhyayate vandate janam, and they will be doing namaskaram to everybody. Muhushvasan bhakti hare jagatpate, and the breath will become very fast and heavy, and they start calling out the name Hare Jagatpate Narayana Atmamatil Gatatrapaha, without shame, without any lajja. They become surrendered to the Lord and take the God's name. Tada. So then, now we say the next sloka, Tada. If this is so, then what happens? It should happen. What should happen? Tada puman mukta samasta bandhanaha. If one has taken God's name with that kind of feeling, where he feels that everything else does not matter to me, he surrenders himself completely to God. He doesn't feel any lajja or anything. Then he becomes mukta samasta bandhana. His all bandhana, all bondage goes. If it is not happening to you, all of you, then you must find out why it is not happening. Why the bandhana is not going. Then is it enough that you come again and again, day after day and listen? Just listen. This just listening is not enough. It is not enough. This listening must bring about bhakti, virakti and bhagavat prabodha. If it is not happening, then what kind of listening we are doing? We must assess it, analyze it, and we must improve. The listening should be such as it happened to Parikshit. He forgot his deha, he forgot his body. Similarly, it should happen to us. Why it is not happening? Otherwise, even the Nama Sankirtana, when everybody becomes ecstatic, it also ends and dukkha starts. How we can go beyond dukkha, shoka and fear? That has to be seen. Tada puman mukta samasta bandhana tadbhava bhavanukrita kritihi, and the mind becomes absolutely identified with the Lord in all its aspects. Nirdagdha bijan shayo mahiyasa bhakti prayogena sameta dhokshajam. And whatever evil tendencies are there, they get completely removed. Nirdagdha bija. Just like if you have a seed, if you sow, a plant will come. But if you burn the seed, no plant can come. Similarly, all the evil tendencies, all the desires, all the expectations from the mind, they simply get burned off by what? Mahiyasa bhakti prayogena, by the power of devotion. And sameti adhokshajam. Adhokshajam. Lord Krishna will be attained in such a case. Adhokshajalambhamiha shubhatmanah sharirina samsriti chakrashatanam tad brahma nirvana sukham vidurbudhaha tato bhajadhvam hridaye hridishwaram. Adhokshajalambhamiha shubhatmanah sharirina samsriti chakrashatanam tad brahma nirvana sukham vidurbudhaha ततो भजध्वं हृदये हृदीश्वरम्. So it is being said, worship him, the Hridayeshwara, in your own heart, because that alone will give you this alingana of the Supreme Lord inside your heart. Adhokshaja alambhana. That alambhana, it is the Vishnu sparsha. It is the sparsha in the heart where you can feel him. You can think of him. He is the most security. It is the greatest refuge. He is the savior. He is the anchor. He is everything. That Vishnu sparsha you can have when you are fully devoted with the devotion. What kind of devotion? Which is unmotivated, without any expectation, without any desire, not asking from God anything. Only say that I want to serve you, I want to take your name always, always. Tato bhajadhvam hridaye hridishwaram. Krishnavrata Krishnamanusmaranto Ratrau ja Krishnam Punarutthitaye Te Krishna Deha Pravishanti Krishnam Ajyam Yatha Mantrahutam Hutashe. Krishnavrata Krishnamanusmaranto Ratrau ja Krishnam Punarutthitaye Te Krishna Deha Pravishanti Krishnam Ajyam Yatha Mantrahutam Hutashe. Krishnavrata, who is devoted to Krishna. Krishna Manusmaranta, one who remembers Krishna. Ratrauja Krishnam Punarutthitaye. He is devoted to Krishna and he remembers Krishna at night and in the day. Te Krishna Deha Pravishanti Krishnam. They become Krishna Deha. They become like Krishna and they merge with Krishna. Just like the Havan Samagri, the Yajna Samagri enters the fire in the Yajna Kunda, like that. He becomes Krishna himself. Jaya Shankha Gadadhara Neelakalevara Pita Jaya Shankha Gadadhara Neelakalevara Pita Patambara Dehi Padam. Jaya Bhakta Janashraya Mangalakaranantima Bandhava Dehi Padam. Jaya Bhakta Janashraya Mangalakaranantima Bandhava Dehi Padam. Jaya Shankha Gadadhara